Hi. What'd you get in the mail? Let's show everybody. Alright, go through everything. Let's show the camera. What's that? Ooh, Zuru Smashers. Alright. Alright, what else is in there? Ooh, Smashers collectors.
That's cool.
That is cool.
It moves.
It does move. Okay, what else?
Smashers.
Ooh, it's like a bus.
Yeah.
Smash bus. That's awesome. What else is that? Ooh, another smasher.
Let's open these.
Alright, do it.
I'll open this one first. Woo! Different colors.
Ooh, those are super rare. These are limited edition. These are Bad Sports. These are Ball Stars, Game Changers, Team Extreme, Not So Fast Food, Smash Gear, and Hard Hitters. Okay, we'll have to see what we get.
Let's stop.
Ooh, it's almost time to smash them. Here we go. Whoa, what'd you get? Ooh, let's see. Just gonna put them up here on the porch. Ooh, oh, what did we get?
Him.
All right, line them up on the porch. Ooh, that's a cool dude. Whoa, you're fast. What's that one?
The same one.
No, it's a different one. Whoa.
Oh, that's cool.
What's this guy? Ooh, he looks spooky. Where'd it go?
Orange guy.
Orange guy. Ooh, he looks cool.
What's hand juice?
Whoa.
That's cool. What else you got?
And then they came with two. All right.
I'm winning.
All right, you ready to smash it? Whoa.
I don't see him. Oh,
There he went.
a donut.
Is it a donut?
Yeah.
That's awesome. You had a donut for breakfast today.
Let's do this one. Yeah.
That's cute. Smash it. Uh-oh. Harder. Whoa, that's not an easy one to smash. Oh, no. What? What's happening? Can I try? No, it's still not opening. What? Can I see it? That's okay, that wasn't the toy. That was the red piece. It finally opened. Wow, that was a hard one. He's still in there. He's like not wanting to come out. That was crazy. That was one strong little smasher dude. You had to work hard for that one. Let's see. It is, ooh. It's a little smasher holding weights. It's funny because he's a strong smasher. All right, what are we opening now? The limited edition, what is this? The collector's tin.
Who's bad. Those are naughty.
They're naughty ones?
Yeah.
Oh no.
See, I get.
Ooh, you're strong.
That's why I got tape. So tape on me.
What? Are we having another problem? Can I see that really quick? I think there might be plastic on it.
Yeah.
The other one didn't have plastic on it, but this one does. Open this one. Let's see what we got here. We get any rares yet? No, no rares. No limited editions. We got... I didn't really see any of the ones we got on here. That's weird. So, I guess we just got some common ones. We got this a Smash Aid one, but it's blue, not green. Whoa, you had to work hard for that one. What's this guy? Ooh, what a cool dude. Oh, okay, cool. All right. I think we gotta go inside and get some scissors for that.
Okay.
All right, I had to cut this open with some scissors. It had some of those plastic straps on it. All right, it's ready for you, buddy.
What's it?
Nothing, it's behind you. The bus. Silly. It should be cut. I cut it. Just lift the bus out of there. Here, pull. Oh, you got the smasher? That's the last smasher. These are pretty cool, huh? Ooh, what's this? Oh, I think that's on the rare ones. Let's see. Yeah, you got a limited edition one. Woohoo! You got the pointer. And then you got this fireball guy. Oh, he's also limited edition. That's cool. You got 2 limited editions.
I did it.
All right.
There's tape on this too.
Yeah, but I figured you could get that off. All right, so we're gonna open the Smasher bus.
Yep.
Here we go. The basketball court ready. Got a limited edition guide here. All right. Let's see if we can get him into hoop. Here's some more.
Here's a teacher, the donut guy.
Almost. Getting closer. Anything that has a hole in it you could do.
Alright, good idea.
That's one way to do it, right?
This one don't. This one, it is.
They go really high up.
This one. You see, do it. Dang, that was,
I know.
this is hard.
We watched Ryan from Ryan's Tour Reviews play this, and they made it look easy.
Don't do hard things.
You can just keep trying.
What you do?
You want me to do it?
Yeah.
All right, let's see. Here we go.
Yeah.
Try this guy. Oops. You have to get it like perfect. Yeah, this is pretty hard. And I'm good at basketball. Yeah. Well, we're having fun trying, right?
Yeah.
All right. Well, if you guys are looking for some fun things to give your kids for Easter, this would be really a fun one. Where are you going? I'm still playing.
Oh.
I still want to try. I just think with some practice, you'll probably be able to get this. But it's still fun. You want to roll it back into a bus? See if it's pretty easy to roll back into a bus?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's put it back into a bus. You got to get the other side in there. Sweetie pie. You got to put this other side in there. Flip it up. All right, there we go. At the back of the bus. And then they have a whole bunch of little spots here for the smashers to go. So you just kind of put them on the little holes there. And it says that it can hold up to a 50, I believe I read. All right, so what do you think about smashers? Are they pretty fun to smash?
Yeah.
Yeah? We'll have to get some more smashers. That's pretty cool. It's a big mess though. I'm thinking these are recyclable.
Have a good day. Thank you for watching my tutorials.